Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I will explain command boundary boss in SolidWorks. See, what does this boundary boss do in SolidWorks? So boundary boss is also similar to lofted boss. It adds material between two profiles. See, first I take one profile, I select right plane, I go to sketch, I create one rectangle here, corner rectangle. One plane I took a rectangle with some distance. I take another profile. I take one circle. For that, I select a plane. I'll take another plane. Same right plane. Give distance some 200 mm. At the distance 200 mm, I took another plane. I select this plane and I go to sketch now. On this plane, I create a circle. Exit. See, what does this loft boss do? See, first I'll show what is this loft boss. Select loft boss. Select profile one, circle. It has got selected, and rectangle. So material adds between these two sections. So you can, if you see twist on the part, then you can just adjust this control point, then go for OK. You will get a, see here, adds material between two sections. See, one side is circular, the other side a rectangular section. I go back. See, lofted boss. Select profile one and profile two. Keep the both. See that the both points are the same position with the same corner. You can also use this thin feature if you want halo. Then see here you see only points, no other options, sub options in this loft. Now I apply boundary boss for the same sections. Say I go for boundary boss, profile 1, profile 2. See, you can see some twist. You just move this point. See here. Okay. See, same as the loft. See, then what is the difference between boundary boss and loft? See, in boundary boss, I again edit this boundary. You can see here tab. At this profile, there's one tab. At this profile, there's another tab. See, I open this. I select now normal to profile. See, I select normal to profile. When I selected this normal to profile option, see, you can see this arrow, and also you can see the shape of the part has been changed into some curvature mode. See, you can drag this arrow. See here. See the shape now. I go for OK. See, it's not straight, somewhat in a tangential manner. In the same way, you have the same tab to this profile also. You can change at the rectangle position also. I select this boundary, I go to edit feature, see a tab. I open this, I keep normal to profile. See now, here we got another arrow. Now I slightly move this. See now the shape, how it has been changed. I go for OK now. See, OK now. Now see the part. See, this is the output we got from the boss. So loft adds material in a point connectivity manner, straight, whereas the boundary adds material between two different sections in a tangential mode. If you want to make this hollow, you can use thin option in boundary boss also. See, here we have a thin option. If you want, you can select this thin option. So this is a usage of a command a boundary boss. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe Imperial CAD system.